Good morning, everybody. At the outset, I should thank everybody for lending their ears to me, because if nobody is listening to me, then I'll be speaking to myself and I'll land up in a lunatic asylum. In fact, people endorse me that I'm insane. Today, I'm going to speak to you about arthritis, myths, and facts. The first question people can ask me is, what is rheumatism? What is arthritis? They mean the same, because rheumatism is a term which was earlier used in United Kingdom, and the Americans use the term arthritis. It means actually people have pain which is referable to the joint, to the muscles, to the ligaments, and the other structures which surround the joint. But one important point is, arthritis is a specific term which refers to involvement of the joint, whereas rheumatism can cover even structures around the joint. People can ask me a question, Dr. Ramakrishnan, what are the warning signs of arthritis? The warning signs of arthritis are pain in the joint, swelling in the joint, warmth in the joint, with or without restriction of joint movement. You see, in the middle, there is a hand which is totally swollen, and in the right of my, you see that there's a person who's got completely swollen knee joints. So this is called arthritis, and these are the warning signs of arthritis. In addition to that, people can have extra articular manifestations like fever, they can develop a rash, they can develop oral ulcers, they can have diarrhea, they can have dysentery, they can have cough with coughing of blood, and sometimes people can even land up with kidney involvement. Now, one question you can ask me is, how many types of arthritis are there? There are nearly 160 types of arthritis, and all of them are seen in this country. Nothing is new as far as India is concerned, because India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, and we at present are seeing all types of arthritis here. People always have a myth, does arthritis affect only the elderly? It is an absolute myth. Arthritis can affect children, it can affect adolescents, it can affect the younger age group, it can affect the middle age group, and it can also affect the elderly. So it is an absolute myth to have in our vision that arthritis affects only the elderly. Then what is rheumatoid arthritis? Among the 160 types of arthritis that we see in India, the commonest type of arthritis which a rheumatologist or a general practitioner or the lay public will encounter is a condition called rheumatoid arthritis, in which there'll be pain in the joint, there'll be swelling in the joint, there'll be deformities in the joint, they have severe early morning stiffness in the joint, and women who have rheumatoid arthritis will not be able to box their husband when they get up in the morning. The other important fact, if it is left untreated, the joints can land up with various sorts of deformities, which can incapacitate their life, and they will not be able to do even their activities of living. So that is called rheumatoid arthritis, which presents as joint pain, joint swelling, early morning joint stiffness, difficulty in mobilizing the joint. People can ask me, hey Ramki, is rheumatoid arthritis more common in females or males? Unfortunately, it is more common in females than males. That is because of the hormonal constitution in females, which facilitates the development of rheumatoid arthritis in women. Rheumatoid arthritis can also occur in male, but if you take the female is to male ratio, it is nearly 3:1. That is, women are 3 times more have rheumatoid arthritis than one person with rheumatoid arthritis in the male age group. The other question you can ask me, which age group? Rheumatoid arthritis affects predominantly women, and it affects them in the age group, say, of about 20 to 40 years of age. That is the time when they're highly productive in life. They're going to college, they're going to work, they're getting married, they'll have children. And it is a misfortune that it affects women during their peak of life. That's very, very important. Why does rheumatoid